The air filters are housed in the engine air box. To service the filters, you will first need to remove the top portion of the air box. Begin by removing the 8 T25 Torx screws that hold the top of the box to the bottom. It's a tight fit between the rear bumper and the airbox lid. Make sure you do not drop the screws when removing them. On the Carrera S, you will need to remove the changeover valve switch. Simply push down on the top part of the clip, red arrow, and slide the switch towards the rear of the car and off of the lid. With the screws removed, you can simply lift the lid up and out from the vehicle. There is a single T20 Torx screw that holds each filter in place. Remove the screws from both sides, red arrow, one side shown. With the screws removed, you can slide the filter slightly away from the center of the airbox and lift them up and out, red arrows. Always make sure to clean the inside of the airbox. There is no point in putting a clean filter in a dirty airbox. Installation is the reverse of removal. If you are looking for a little more performance air filter, Pelican recommends the Renline system. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.